the same thing because of the connection. So every time the wind blows, your emotion will change. Music change your emotion, so the wind will change it too. The water will change your emotions too. So everything will change way. So wow, the sun and the moon will change way. The ball them above will change way. Blouse and skirt. It's an infinite change. Creates an infinite change. But to recognize it, once you recognize it now, you have that infinite happiness. You see what really are going on with you and how it happens. And how to use this infinite change and balance to apply it to your life. When you don't have no pain. So the pain where you have, change the thinking and position the pain somewhere else. So you have it all. So what yoga creates is the all for uno, so you can live as brothers. And then you recognize you don't have to go back to man's world. You now live in the infinite mind. And if callaloo you have to eat for the rest of your life, you eat callaloo water. Because you're only flesh, and whatever your flesh needs just to exist in this realm, you just do that. So there's nothing here that's worth nothing but your consciousness of your infinite mind and overs what the all is doing. And when you participate in know what the all is doing, you can breathe, exhale and feel complete for no say. You infinitely live as part of this beautiful journey. You can breathe now, you can exhale, you can say yes. Let me free like the butterfly, me free like the bird. And that freedom in itself, like the tree, makes you really become what you truly are. Free. Born free. You're not dead free. You must live free. But your mind first have to be free. Because them these things in a way. And lack of mind, that's why Garvey came to liberate. And Garvey always said nature. And nature and Mother Nature is in here, and Mother Nature, we have been commanded by Mother Nature. You hear my talk? This is the Garvey speech, I'm on YouTube.